Good evening everyone present over there. I am back again with a new recipe. I am Poulumi Pandey from Asansol and today I have come live to present you bread paneer roll. सभी जल्दी जल्दी ज्वाइन हो जाए फिर मैं रेसिपी स्टार्ट करूंगी. So today I'll make bread paneer roll. For that I need few ingredients only. So let us see what are the ingredients that we need today. Come. So for that I have used white bread. You can use brown bread also. I have cut the bread into small pieces. Next this is crumbled paneer. I have grated the paneer. Next is curd. I'll be needing 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd. Accordingly I'll see and then I'll use it. This is oregano, thyme, basil leaves, or we can say the pizza seasoning that we use, and we will need salt as per taste, and we will also need oil for frying. So I have used Amul Malai Paneer for this and Amul Masti Dahi for this. I thank Amul for giving me this opportunity to come in live in front of you. Also I thank the group, the club Dreamcatcher for giving me this opportunity, and I also thank Anita Di for giving me this opportunity to come in front of you again and present you with a recipe. Come, let's start it. But before starting, I'll just put the oil on flame because I need to deep fry. I will not use much oil. As much as I require, I will use it. If I need more later on, then I will take more. So come, let us see what we need to do. First, I need to make a dough kind of thing. For that, I will use the bread. Let us see. First, we will make 2-3. I need the paneer. This is Amul Malai Paneer. And I will use 2 tablespoons of Amul Masti Dahi. I will mix it. I'll mix it with my hand because hand is the best option one has. Without mixing with hand, it will not give you the best taste, I feel. So we need to mix it with the hand only. We want a doughy kind of thing. So with spoon and spatula, we cannot have the dough. कर्ड आप लोग इस्तेमाल कीजिएगा जैसे जैसे आपको लगता है. ये बाइंडिंग जब तक टाइट ना हो आप कर्ड इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. इसको ज्यादा पतला नहीं होना चाहिए. कर्ड वी आर यूजिंग एज अ बाइंडिंग एजेंट. I need one more tablespoon of curd. आप यहाँ पे अनियन जो लोग खाते हैं वो लोग अनियन भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Even you can use bell pepper if you want. But I tried to keep it simple, so I am using nothing, only the Amul paneer, the Amul curd and bread. Now I will add salt and the dried leaves according to taste. This is a very good evening snack. You can have it with tea, also you can have it with coffee, anything you like. प्लीज कमेंट करके बताइएगा आप लोग कहाँ से देख रहे हैं, मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा है कौन कहाँ से देख रहा है. सो प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स फ्रॉम वेयर यू ऑल आर सीइंग. I am making bread paneer roll, for which I have used white bread. I have used Amul Malai Paneer and I have used Amul curd. So it's done. Now we will give it a shape of a roll. With your two hands, just we'll make a cylindrical shape of it and it will be done. You don't need to grease your palm with oil because the Amul Malai Paneer has lots of fat in it, so we don't need to grease our hand for this. See, my hands are already greased because of the Amul Malai Paneer. So this is what we like about the Amul products. They are very rich in nutrients, and without Amul we cannot imagine our life. Every day we need Amul in our life, starting from the morning first cup of tea till the night when we have a glass of milk, we need Amul. हेलो, आप लोग कहाँ से देख रहे हैं प्लीज मुझे कमेंट में बताइए. आप चाहे तो इसको बना के रख सकते हैं, जब आपके घर में गेस्ट आए उसके पहले आप इसको डीप फ्राई करके दे सकते हैं. यू कैन कीप इट एंड मेक इट एंड हाफ कीप इट हाफ डन एंड फ्राई इट बिफोर योर गेस्ट्स अराइव. So I have made 5 rolls and I'll fry it now. Nilufar Hussain ma'am, thank you for joining. My oil is done. It's hot. Now we will fry it. It will not take much time to fry. We will fry it till it is golden brown. As my oil is hot, so it is turning brown quickly. The first one is already done. We will not hurry. We will let it fry from one side, then we will turn the other side. आप लोग गर्मी कैसे एंजॉय कर रहे हैं वो कमेंट्स में बताइए जरूर। ये एक बहुत इजी स्नैक है, एकदम टाइम कम लगता है और सिर्फ आपको ब्रेड और पनीर की जरूरत होती है। सो यू डोंट नीड मच थिंग्स and much time for this. अगर किसी को पसंद है so you can use onion, you can use capsicum, you can add it and then fry it. It will give you a good crunch. We will fry it till it is little golden brown in color. If you want, you can shallow fry it also, but it will take little bit more time when you shallow fry. So these two are done. I'll take it out and I'll fry the other two. Okay, I am frying the other two. Once these two are done, then we will serve it with mayonnaise. Or you can serve it even with tomato ketchup. Very easy snack, can be made within 15 to 20 minutes. जस्ट करना क्या है आपको, ब्रेड्स को अगर आप चाहो तो कट कर सकते हो, नहीं तो नहीं भी कट कर सकते हो. And then you need to grate the paneer and you need 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd and salt as per your taste. The recipe that I am making today, that is bread paneer roll. I have used white bread, I have used Amul Malai paneer and I have used Amul Masti Dahi. हम लोग ये रोल को हाफ मेड करके रख सकते हैं, जब गेस्ट आए तब हम लोग इसको फ्राई कर सकते हैं. So you can make the rolls and keep it in your refrigerator, and when your guests come then you can fry it. Very easy recipe and it will not take much time. Thank you Nilufar ma'am, it is my pleasure to share these recipes with you all. These are also done. Now I will remove it and then serve it. So with a slice of 1.5 bread. I have made 5 rolls. तो आपको पता लग ही रहा होगा कि आपको कितने ब्रेड चाहिए होंगे कितने लोगों के लिए. So you need at least for 10 guests for making the roll. At least you will be needing 4-5 bread. 4 bread are enough. I have used 1.5 bread, and then I could make 5 rolls. So my rolls are ready. I will take it out. Very nice color I have got. Now I will serve it with mayonnaise. Very hot, and I'll make a cup of tea and have it. So my bread paneer rolls are ready. You can see these are very crunchy, crispy. Wait, I will show you the sound, how crispy it is. It is very crunchy and crispy once we have it. And this is a very good evening snack we can make and have it with coffee or tea. So I thank once again Club Dreamcatcher for giving me this opportunity, and I thank Anita Di also for giving me this opportunity. Also I thank Amul for giving me this opportunity to come in live in front of you once again. Hope you like the recipe and please give it a try. Thank you.